Hello everyone, this is the North American Math Contest Go Go Go. Today we'll be talking about part 1 of the uncertainty. So first of all, let's go to give a definition of what is uncertainty. Uncertainty is a number that quantifies the random error of the experimental value. The number is often represented in A plus or minus B, where A represents uncertainty while B represents uncertainty. The uncertainty part must have the same value as the certainty part. Must have the same place value as the certainty part. It should also only have one significant figure. For example, 45 plus or minus 1 is the correct way of writing the uncertainty, while the first 45 plus or minus 1.0 or 45 plus or minus 10 is not correct. To add or subtract the uncertainty, you should add the value of the uncertainty part in each of the two values to complete the uncertainty propagation, which means that if a plus or minus b plus c plus or minus d would be equal to a plus or minus c plus b plus or minus d, and a plus or minus b minus c plus or minus d will represent a minus c plus or minus b plus d. Now let's do some problems to practice those concepts. So now let's look at those problems. Calculate the following equations. 1. 27 plus or minus 3 plus 14 plus or minus 5. So we can see that the certainty part will represent 27 plus 14, which is 41, while the uncertainty part would represent 3 plus 5, which is 8. So therefore, the answer for the first question is 41 plus or minus 8. Now let's do the second question. For the certainty part, 11 plus or minus 10.0 is equal to 21 because in the addition, the final value must have the same place value as the least significant digit, which is 11. So therefore, the certainty part should be representing 21. The uncertainty part will represent 3 plus or minus 2.0, which is 5. So therefore, the answer would be equal to 25 plus or minus 5. So, considering that, the answer would be 41 plus or minus 8 and 21 plus or minus 5, respectively. Here we come to the end of our lesson, and I hope you have learned a lot. See you next week. Bye bye.